wrapper with
That's
it.
one.
One.
Unwrap the delightful secrets of the candy cane, the iconic treat that's more than just a holiday decoration. Ever wondered how a simple mix of sugar and peppermint transforms into the quintessential symbol of festive cheer? Serving up smiles one dish at a time. Food is Thy Mood is now live. Glad to have you back, Moody Foodies! Today, we're diving into the world of candy canes. Can you even picture Christmas without these minty marvels? It's like trying to imagine Santa without his beard. Just doesn't feel right, does it? So, it's time to explore the intriguing journey of candy canes. From basic ingredients to the festive treats we all adore. By the end of this video, you'll be an official candy cane expert. We'll sneak a peek into candy cane factories, learn about the art and science behind these treats, and discover some quirky facts. Ready to get your sweet tooth on an educational journey? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a tasty episode. First off, did you know candy canes have been around for over 350 years? They started as plain white sugar sticks in Europe. The whole shepherd's crook shape supposedly began in the 17th century in Germany. A choir master shaped them to keep kids quiet during long Christmas services.
Shut up!
Smart move, right?
Yes, I agree.
And those red and white stripes? They're a 20th century American edition, along with the peppermint flavor. Some folks think these colors and shapes have deep Christian symbolism, but that's more like a sweet legend than a historical fact. These days, candy canes are a global holiday hit. In the US alone, we're talking nearly 2 billion of these minty sticks made each year, most sold between Thanksgiving and Christmas. That's a lot of candy canes. Big names in the candy world like Spangler, Hershey's, and Jelly Belly
Okay, you ready?
are some of the heavy hitters in this game. Despite being a seasonal treat, candy cane production is a year-round affair. Factories churn these out even during the sweltering summer months. Imagine making Christmas candy in beach weather. Kind of ironic, huh?
Well,
Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. Candy canes are made with sugar, obviously, corn syrup for that glossy look and solid feel, peppermint oil for the classic flavor, and food coloring for those iconic stripes. Simple ingredients for a magical result. The production process is mesmerizing. It starts with mixing sugar, corn syrup, and water, heated until just right. Then it's poured onto a cooling table because nobody wants to handle molten sugar. Part of this candy mix gets the red dye treatment, while the rest is flavored with peppermint. Next up is the candy pooling. It's like a gym workout for candy makers. The white candy is stretched and aerated, transforming from amber to white. Then the red candy is rolled out, placed on the white candy, and cut into stripes. Precision is key here. These candy ropes then get their J shape in a machine. It's like watching magic happen. After shaping, they need to cool down and harden, a crucial step for maintaining that signature cane shape. Quality control in candy cane factories is no joke. They check for cracks, the right curvature, stripe consistency, and that glossy shine. It's a mix of human and machine inspection. with some factories even using X-rays. Talk about high-tech sweets. Once they pass the test, it's wrapping time. Each candy cane is individually wrapped, ensuring it stays fresh and unbroken. Then they're boxed up, ready for their journey to stores and eventually to our holiday celebrations. But wait, there's more. Candy canes have evolved beyond the classic red and white. Now, you've got a whole spectrum of colors and flavors, from fruity to downright wacky like pickle or bacon. And sizes? From tiny ones for your hot cocoa to giant ones for a bold holiday statement. There's even a luxury market for gourmet candy canes. Fancy that! With growing environmental awareness, the candy cane industry is stepping up its game. They're using energy-efficient methods, recycling waste, and opting for sustainable ingredients and packaging. It's all about keeping the holiday spirit alive while being kind to our planet. Now, before we wrap up this sweet journey, here's a bonus tip that's been a well-kept secret in the world of candy canes. Ever thought about using broken candy canes as a delightful ice cream topping? Crush those leftover candy cane bits, sprinkle them generously over your favorite scoop, and you've got yourself a minty, crunchy treat that's pure bliss. That's a little hack that takes your dessert game to a whole new level, and it's the perfect way to make the most of those candy cane crumbs that often get left behind. And speaking of candy cane crumbs, did you know that these festive candies are more than just a tasty treat? They also hold a Guinness World Record for the longest candy cane ever made, stretching an astonishing 51 feet. That's longer than most swimming pools. And here's a fun idea. Next time you're decorating your holiday tree, consider hanging some mini candy canes as ornaments. Not only will they add a pop of color and a touch of sweetness to your tree, but they'll also serve as delightful surprises for your guests when they discover that your decorations are edible. It's a surefire way to spread holiday cheer in the most delicious way possible. So there you have it. From a simple sugar concoction to a symbol of holiday joy, the journey of a candy cane is quite extraordinary. Every time you unwrap one, remember the history, craftsmanship, and festive spirit it carries. It's not just a candy, it's a tiny, edible piece of holiday tradition. Now it's time for your sweet takeaways. What's your favorite way to enjoy candy canes during the holidays? Share your festive traditions in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a tasty episode. And remember, the world of sweets is always better when you're in the know. Stay curious and keep indulging in life's little pleasures. Until next time, keep it sweet.